Would this be the last extinction, or would this be our extinction?
The game just gets better. With all schools now becoming digital, you may participate in this cause.
This is Citizen Plus Philippines, and we're hunting heroes against extinction. An initiative to promote biodiversity conservation through citizen science. A motivation to pursue this research entitled A Need to Redefine Biodiversity Education. A paper by Voltaire harnesses you to help identify other threats to coral reefs. What really is citizenship science? When we hear scientists, we see people wearing lab gowns, working on the lab, but it could be anyone, non-science majors, or wildlife stewards like you. We can now help scientists track and identify avian wildlife. Here are eBird and iNaturalist data collected by our 9th graders in their science curriculum.
Well, there are concepts that they have difficulty in understanding.
To help them with that, the module is designed for indoor ecology activities suited for the 9th grade. Cryptic species, what are they? Speciation that contains individuals that are morphologically identical to each other but belong to different species. Accordingly, PBL +1 pedagogy was used. For designing the modules, we have teacher-designed and learner-designed. Performance tasks were conducted for learners to become familiarized with our endemic species. To attain more of this, instructional materials should be localized. The study was conducted at a 9th grader class in Metro Manila and Urban City. How could they help minimize ecosystem disturbance? Well, this study made use of key biodiversity areas. For terrestrial, 6 times New York City. For marine, 3 times Tokyo, Japan. The modules will survey you around the Philippines, getting to know the status of our fauna and flora. Modules underwent a validation based on objectives, content, format or language, presentation, and usefulness. 3 subject matter validators said that the instrument is reliable and measures the same construct. Pre-test and post-test were conducted to assess their knowledge, process, and skills. 84% of the learners had a significant score gain, while 16% had plummeted test scores. Here are some recommendations for you to design and create more citizen science projects. Learning activities for outdoor setup. Bigger population covering all year levels. Lastly, focus on endemic invertebrates. Thank you so much for listening.